Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean a sink pop-up drain stopper. In this simple tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for easily and properly cleaning a pop-up drain stopper just like this one. Now, just to clarify, this is a pop-up drain stopper. It's very different than the older style that had sort of like a rod at the back, okay? This is the more modern style. And essentially, you push it down to close it and you pop it up to open it up. Now, these can get dirty pretty easily. Now, I will tell you, in most cases, when you remove this to clean it, there's not going to be a grate preventing debris from going down the sink drain. So you want to make sure that your sink is completely clear and clean, just like this. This sink is completely clear and clean. You want to make sure there's no debris that might accidentally fall down there. What you want to do is you want to twist this off. In most pop-up drain stoppers in sinks, especially bathroom sinks, you're going to have to twist it counterclockwise to remove it, just like that, okay? Now, as you can see, with this right here, the grate is actually on the pop-up drain stopper. I'm going to place that to the side. If you look inside of the sink drain, there's no grate. Like literally, I could just put my finger right down there. There's no grate. So with that being said, make sure no debris is going to fall down there. I'm holding onto my wedding ring extra tight. You want to make sure nothing falls down there. Now, this pop-up drain stopper is fairly clean because it's fairly new, but I'm going to show you exactly what you would do even if it's not clean and new. Even if your drain stopper was filthy, this is the steps that you want to follow. First and foremost, you want to remove any hair that is in the pop-up drain stopper. In this case, as you can see, there's just a little piece of hair. There's a couple pieces of hair right over there. This is actually at my parents' house. So to be honest with you, I don't know if my dad's going to be watching this ever, to be honest with you, but this is probably when my dad ended up trimming his chest hair. That's where the hair is from. Funny little thing to know. All right, so you want to get rid of any hair. Now you might have to be pulling it out. You might have to cut it out if it's really intense. Now what you want to clean are essentially three different things. You want to clean the actual drain stop itself. Then you want to clean the threads right here that allow it to be threaded into place. And then you want to clean the threads on the inside that allow it to be threaded into place. Because you're not going to get a solid closing if the threads are not clean. So let's go ahead. You can use soap, but to be honest with you, it all depends. This isn't that dirty. So in this case, I could probably just use my fingers. So I'm going to turn the water on. As you can see, remember, the water's just going right down the drain. So I'm going to start off by cleaning the actual drain stop, as you can see right there. All of the areas, you should essentially just wipe down the entire thing. You can use a cloth. Like I said, this isn't that dirty. I'm not afraid to touch it. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. So now that I've cleaned the drain, there's a little bit actually right here. I'm going to clean just right there. I see it right there. Okay? Now that I've cleaned the drain, we're going to clean the threads right here. So to do that, I like to start off by just taking my thumb, rotating the threads inside of my thumb. Then I like to get a fingernail, place it inside of the thread, and rotate the threads through the fingernail through the threads. That's going to get out any little bit of dirt and grime that is caught in those threads. And you want to essentially just rotate it all the way through. Then for the inside over here, I like to get my finger, get some water, and clean the threads. And same thing, I just like to get my fingernail, get it right into those threads like that. And that will get rid of any dirt and grime that is caught in those threads. When you're done, you want to give it just a nice clean little rinse like that. Shut off the water. Take the pop-up drain stop, apply a little bit of downward pressure while you rotate it clockwise now, which will allow you to get it back in place. Continue rotating. Make sure that it's nice and firmly in place. Test it out. You're good to go. That is essentially how to clean a pop-up drain stopper in a sink just like this. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.